everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Hilda. Today I'm going to show you a vintage bottle craft. I'm going to keep it very simple. I bought something online from Amazon which I'll be using for this project. So let's get started. I'm using this bottle. I like this texture which the bottle already has. I've downloaded two vintage lady images from Google in color and in black and white. I'll choose one for my project. Now I want to paint this with chalk paint and I'll make the color somewhat like this for the base. Taking 1 part of talcum powder with 2 parts of acrylic paint. Here I've taken 1.5 parts of black acrylic and half part of white acrylic and added few drops of water. You can click on the I button to watch my detailed video on how to make chalk paint at home. Now the bottle is absolutely dry and now I'm going to stick this image. Using Fevicryl Modge Podge decoupage glue. Now I'll use a plastic sheet to make the paper crease free. Using Modge Podge glue again on the paper. This step is important as this will not make the varnish patchy later. Now the glue is absolutely dry and now I'm going to use this gloss varnish on this. Now I'll let this dry completely and in the meantime I'll make some flowers for the border here. To make the flowers and leaves I'm going to use this Mouldit Clay and I'm going to use this Silicone Mould. This clay comes with a resin and a hardener. We have to mix both till it becomes of one color. We can use talcum powder on our hands while mixing. Apply talcum powder before putting the clay in the mold. Take little portions and fill the mold and press, making sure the clay is just enough to be at the level of the mold. Twist and then remove. This mold has 7 different flowers and 2 different leaves. I will quickly make all and show you. This clay hardens in 90 minutes, so we have to use it within this time. I really enjoyed making these and I've made few and kept ready. Using Fevicol to stick the clay while it is soft, gently paste the flowers and leaves so we don't lose the shape. The clay is absolutely dry now, so now I'm going to color the leaves and flowers. I'll mention all the acrylic colors used in the description box below. Now I'm going to highlight using bronze metallic paint. I'll remove all the excess paint. We need just very little paint on the brush. Use a very soft hand while doing this. I'm going to leave the image and I'm going to highlight the rest of the bottle. Using silver 3D outliner to make a pearl necklace. And I'm going to use this on the flowers of the dress to give it a 3D effect. This small detailing will take this simple image to an absolute different level. Now the paint is absolutely dry, and for this part I had used gloss varnish, but for the rest of the bottle I'll be using matte, and even for the flowers. We'll mention the link for all the items used for this project in the description box below. If you want, you can put some ribbon or lace or some charms here around the neck. I like it this way, so I'm leaving it like this. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do like, share, subscribe and press the notification bell so that you're in the loop. I'll come back with another interesting video. Until then, bye-bye, take care, and I love you all.